Two important concepts in the pandas library. One is the series. So panda series is almost similar to the series that we have studied before, like on the list, on tuple, and on the arrays, numpy arrays. Second important concept is the data frame. Now data frame is almost like a Excel sheet. It is a column row structure, and whenever we import any file from outside like CSV file or Excel file, it will be imported in the form of column row structure called as data frame. And typically this creating the data frame is the first task that any data engineer does in any data science project. Any data that will be uploaded into the system will be stored as a data frame. So in this session we are going to understand how to create the series and how to create the data frame, how to import the file from outside like CSV file, how to read, then playing with the data on the CSV file and sorting data frame, doing some calculation, etc. So let's start. So let us now create the series through the panda library. In the past you have studied the numpy array series. So the difference between the numpy array and the panda array and the panda series is the numpy was having only the numeric as the series, but in the panda you can have the string as a series, you can have the number as the series. Second important difference is that the output of the panda series is followed by the index. So let us see. I am creating the first series here. Variable is s, and then I am having a series of number 2 4 5 6 9. This is a defined series. Okay, now you see the output here. Focus on the two things. First, the display is in a vertical format. Second thing, there is a number. It can be called as an index or an address of each element of the series. So usually they start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 4, 5, 6, 9 is the actual series that we have created. And the type is the panda core series. Likewise, you can create a series with the character elements. So this is a one set of program where I am creating a character series A, B and AF, and then I am creating a series of the number. So let us see the difference between the two. Okay. Now if you see my first output, again it is denoted by the index 0, 1, 2 and my actual elements A, B and AF, and the data type is an object here. Now the second output of this program is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is represented by the index starting from 0 to 5 and my data type is integer 64. You can also create a series of the time and date. So for this you have a pd.daterange is a function which is in the pd library. PD is actually panda library, and start date is 11th of September and end date is 12th of November. So what it does, it prints all the date between the two. See my output here. It's 9th of November 2017, 10th of November 2017, 11th of November. Actually the date here is 9th of November 2017 and 12th of December 2017. It's a format of first is a month, second is day and then year. Now how do you access the series? To access it is almost similar to the numpy arrays. I want to access the third element of series S. If you remember what is our series S here, our series S we have created just now. Okay, this is my series S. So let me print this series S here to have a better understanding. Okay, now I want to access the third element. So let me comment the other code here. Okay, my actual series is print as the output is here, and the output for print S3 is here. So 3 here is third index. So let's see the element corresponding to third index, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 6. So 6 is my element. Likewise, if you want to print the numbers from index 2 onwards, so from index 2 is this one, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 here is the output. If you want to print the index from 0 to 4, so my output is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the result. In our previous output of all the panda series that we have seen, the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is automatically created. But also the Python has another option of explicitly define the index. How to do it? Like I have a series 0, 1, 2 and I want my index to be ABC. So you can explicitly define here. See here ABC 0, 1, 2, or if you want A1 or B1 or C1, you can change it here. So it becomes A1, B1, C1. There is another shortcut way. You can you make the use of a range function to define a large series. So 0 to 9, and then we have this output as output for this series. Okay. Now the panda data frame. How to create the data frame? Well, more often than not, you won't be needed to create a data frame. Actually, when you upload the file from outside, or when you access the data into the Python console from outside, you have to create a data frame. Like you will be usually uploading a CSV file or a text file or an Excel file into the system. So when you upload, it will create a data frame. So let us see how the data frame is created first. So here we have this data frame as one of the function in a panda library. So here I am creating a key value pair. So name is my column, age and occupation. So I am having a 3 column, and under each column I am having 4 elements. So see the output here. Now the output is having 3 columns, name, age and occupation, and rows are denoted by index 0, 1, 2, 3.